The role of bazaars in Iranian cities is very important. Isfahan is a historical city that has a particular role in Iran's history, whose bazaar was formed over the centuries. The study of the Isfahan bazaar can show all the structural principles of historical Iranian bazaars. It reveals a bazaar's role as an institutor and integration factor in the different periods of Iranian history. The Grand Bazaar of Isfahan, also known as Qeysarieh Bazaar, was founded in the 11th century. This bazaar is one of the biggest and oldest in the Middle East. The current structure, built in the 17th century, is claimed to have the longest roof in the whole globe. The primary goods at this market, which is divided into many sections, are carpets and conventional rugs. During Safavid era, this bazaar was one of the main luxurious trading centers in the region. It was built in 1620 in the middle of the Naqsh-e Jahan Square, the second biggest square in the world. This bazaar is also known as Bazaar-e Nizamiye or Nizam al-Mulk. Many thanks for watching this video. My name is Fatemeh, English and French 2 leader in Iran. If you enjoy my content, please subscribe on my channel and share it with your friends. Every single Friday and Tuesday, come along with me on a journey through wonders of marvelous Iran.
Speed to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. Chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild, never sleep, never stop. heart so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets.